Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M33 and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply Rosemary font on this Samsung. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings. Then scroll down and choose Display section. After that, choose Font Size and Style. Go into Font Style and click on Download Fonts. Finally, you can click on this little icon next to Rosemary one or tap on it and click on Install. Then wait. Now you can select Apply right away or go back twice and tap on the Rosemary font over here in order to apply it. And as you can see, after that, style of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!